Hi, welcome back to another week of What's for Dinner. My name is Adrienne and I'm the mom of two extremely picky eaters, always trying to get them to try new foods. If you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you be a part of my YouTube family, and let's get right into it, starting out with this 4-ingredient chicken bake, perfect for those really busy, crazy weeknights. It is such a simple recipe, super budget friendly. All you're going to need is 3 chicken breasts, ranch seasoning, pepper, and a can of cream of whatever you have on hand soup. In this case, I'm using cream of chicken. You just season it up, put the cream of chicken soup on top, and bake it in a 350-degree oven until the internal temperature of the chicken reads 165. It took mine about 35 minutes, and this was simple and delicious, and we even had enough for leftovers, and so that's awesome. My next recipe is an Italian sausage pasta bake I am making for a friend who just had a baby. So alongside it, I'm going to be bringing a large chef salad, and I made them some brownies. And I'm going to start this pasta by browning up my sausage in some olive oil. I'm going to season it up with seasoned salt, pepper, ranch seasoning mix, and some oregano, and then I'm going to remove it, drain the grease, and slowly saute down half an onion and a whole bunch of garlic, and then add my sausage back in, and then add the marinara sauce. And then on my pot to the left, I am bringing up some water to a boil. I'm going to heavily season it with salt and cook the rigatoni according to package direction, and then I'm going to get everything in a disposable tin and top it with mozzarella with a little bit more oregano on top for some added flavor. And I hope that they really enjoy this and they don't have to worry about dinner, because you know those first few months with a new baby are absolutely chaotic and exhausting, and the last thing you want to do is worry about dinner. My next recipe is something I've seen all over social media, and we had to give it a try because we love the Kentucky Fried Chicken famous bowl. So here is my version. It was so easy to put together. My husband made his famous mashed potatoes the night before, so this was a breeze, super quick and delicious, and not so good for you, but that's okay. It doesn't matter because it was mighty tasty. Our last meal of the week was Super Bowl Sunday, and we made pizzas. My parents redid their backyard, and per my husband's request, he wanted a pizza oven. I wanted a wine fridge, but I didn't get a wine fridge, and he got a pizza oven. I digress. Anyways, we made pizzas, and they were delicious. Pineapple belongs on pizza. In the court of public opinion, according to Emily D. Baker, she also agrees. And that's it for my What's for Dinner. Hit that subscribe button. I hope everybody is staying happy, healthy, and safe, and we'll see you in the next one.